Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Vide Forex. So right here I'm at the area where I'm going to withdraw my money, and then I'm going to switch over to my Cash app. As you can see, I only have about 3 cents. What I'm doing is I'm copying my Bitcoin wallet address. I'm going to copy and paste it, and then I'm going to type in how much money I want to withdraw. And I don't want the bonus, so exit out of there and just withdraw my own money. And just like that, you'll get your emails, your notification in your emails letting you know that your money has been withdrawn. And here I am logging back into my Vide Forex account. And previously I had $673 in there. Now you can see that I have $373 in there, pending $300 withdrawal. And coming up next, I'm going to show you the $390 or $290 that's in my Cash App account, because there is a $10 Bitcoin fee. And voila. Now the money went to my Bitcoin, and I want to put my money from my Bitcoin Cash App onto my my bank card. So right now you'll see me withdrawing my Bitcoin, and then it's in my cash area on my Cash App, and I'm just going to simply transfer my money from my Cash App to my bank. And right now I'm just going to show you final confirmation. Cash App 280. Boom. So you guys, that is how I withdraw my money from Vide Forex.